All right, guys. So welcome to this live session here with your host, Trade AFX. So as we do every weekdays, we look at the Forex, indices, and metal markets. So hope everyone had a great long weekend, Independence Day in the States. So for all my U.S. Residents, happy Independence Day. So we're on there on Friday. So let's start and go on the chart. So let me check that. Right. So first, we're going to look at the news calendar in regards for today's date, July 7th. So far, no red folders. Let's see. We have this week, really important. We have the BRICS summit here in regards to BRICS. So we may have some news here by the end of this week in regards to if some countries will be pegged to the goal and any adjustment in regards to the value of those currencies. So that will be really interesting overall. Other than that, we have the let's see here. We have the Germany industrial production month to month. That was positive. And other than that, we have the Halifax HPI month to month. That was at 0 for British pound. So other than that, no, not really no news. So pretty smooth sailing today. So that's perfect. So let's go on the charts and see what we are looking overall for setups. So as we do every New York session, we look at the NASDAQ for any setups. Just want to make sure that seeing perfect. So that's perfect here. So let's look at the charts here. So currently you're looking at my custom indicator that is called the EMXAI with the high-low levels here. So those lines that you're seeing here, those are support and resistance lines. And also you have the EMXAI indicator that is giving you buy and sell setups. And that works on any time frame. So we're going to be focusing on the 15-minute time frame for that. So right now we're bullish here on German. And we add a buy here. Then you have US30. That was up here. NASDAQ. Okay, guys. So expecting to have go low here in regards to those indices overall. I have SSP 500 doing a higher low right now, so expecting to go short here at the market open. We have Russell 2000 still looking bearish here. We have Euro 50. See here, you were at 3. Compared to 25, still looking bearish here. So, like I said, most of the indices are looking to go short. Yeah, Hong Kong 50 to go short. Then UK 100 looking to go short. Then you have gold. Gold is going down big time. Yeah, we had a sell set up here on gold. We can look at DXY. So DXY is looking bullish here right now. So I'm expecting to go long on DXY all week. So that means that the early USD and GU should be going short for most of the day this week. And we do have a big fair gap here at the bottom. So expecting to go short here overall. GU here looking for short. Perfect. Even Australian dollar, the US dollars already went short here since Wednesday. So still value here. US CAD here is going along right now. Already at TP7. USD JPY. So, the buy, sorry. Just looking at the invisible line. All right, perfect. So yeah, so USD JPY buy here since Wednesday. Still going on right now. JPY going on still. Changes on. See Chef on here. Cat going short. Very straightforward, guys. In regards to the indicator. that sell here. Look at Platinum. Platinum was going long for a while. Now it's starting to consolidate a little bit and start to go short. Oil, same thing. We're consolidating, it went lower, but almost at the before. Okay, then we had a buy. Then you have Bitcoin here that is at 108. So it went higher. Last week it was trading around 106, 106, 105. So it's at 108. That's good. And we have XRP right now that is at $2.07. We did get a buy on the MSCI, so it's 3. So let's go back on NASDAQ and let's analyze NASDAQ here. So we got a sell here, so just see what to expect. So it may start to go higher and then continue going down. So we'll see how it goes. So we're just gonna wait for market open and then make our decision. So I'm gonna take this position here 2 to 3 minutes before market open, just to position myself and see how it goes. Yeah, so I was on the 1 hour. I will be taking the chart, but I was on the 1 hour chart. So this is what we have here. Let's adjust the fib. So that's a bigger fib. So let's look at a small fib. Should I put it from a swing high to swing low? Exactly, we could already touch 1.8. So yeah, 1.8 was touched here. So that fib is validated here. So let's look at. So I'll put a fib here from top to where we're at right now because I'm expecting to have it retrace at the top. So for an entry, waiting for the price to go a bit higher here, start to go down. That's what I'm expecting overall. So I have like 10 minutes left before market open. Right now we do have a favorite gap that is created here, so I think we have the price going higher here. So we'll wait a few minutes before market open to get our position. All right, so waiting for market to open. We'll see the reaction. I'm expecting to have it to go higher. So we'll wait until the end of that candle to see exactly if we're going to have a continuation in the downside. I'm expecting to go short, guys, but it needs to retrace first. We go straight down because, as you see, we have a gap here. Did it fill the gap in full? I would say yes, but sometimes they want to go lower to make sure that they have everything filled up before doing the opposite way. So I only put the fib here because I think you have a swing low to be created. If that's the case, it should be going higher afterwards. So we'll do a demo scalp. So it's going to be only demo, and I always take position on demo here, guys. So make sure to trade accordingly and to make sure to trade on demo too. If you're not comfortable taking that trade, it's okay. But that's what I'm going to be taking on. So maybe a minute before that candle close, I'll get in. I'll get in for a buy, and I will target those fib levels here in the top. At the same time, I will adjust my fib level because the fib level that I had here was based off of the above price action. So I'm just gonna put it at the wick that is seems to be forming. Perfect. So if we add up the horizontal line, have these points of interest here. We have this one and this one, right? So based off of those two, those are my TPs, right? So at about less than 3 minutes, I will open a position to go long. My stop loss here would be, if I look at my high-low level, that's the maximum low. Now it's retracing to 26. So now pretty much confirmed that this is a swing, in my opinion, because we did have a big wick, starting to do a doji or working hammer. So I will prepare myself to take that trade. first time seeing my live, doing those live feeds each and every day. Gonna have another New York session here tomorrow. I am my entry. All right, so I'm in the trade. So TP here. Stop loss. Make sure that the mat is mapping. So that's what I'm expecting here. So still have less than a minute left before market open. Not quite one to one, but there you go. So 9:30. Let's see. So swing was confirmed here. It's pushing right now. There we go. So let's move my trade to break even a little bit more. Almost at my TP. So I missed my TP by a few ticks. It's all good. But the logic was there. So almost hit my TP by a tick. So that was a perfect trade. Fortunately, missed to hit my TP. So it's all good. Didn't lose that trade with my trailing, but that was a good setup. So you see exactly what I was looking for. 61.8 retracement went straight there, almost at 61.8. Maybe the way that I put my my fib was maybe a little bit higher, but it did exactly what it was supposed to do, right? So waiting for that wick, I was waiting for this candle here to close at the 50-minute chart, and it did give me a wick here, confirming us here that we were going along, and that was a pivot, swing high to swing low. With your fib, retracement, it went straight there, and now you're able to take a sell. Now I'll sell it, and I put my stop loss right to that 61.8, and my TP will be down there. Boom, boom. All right, so make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for being on my live. So first move, guys, that's what I was expecting. I was overall bearish here, but I was expecting to have a retracement in the upside towards a fib retracement. That's exactly what it did. It went up to that 61.8. We were bullish at the start of the market, and now we're bearish currently. So overall bearish here overall. So that's only the first 5 minutes of the market open. So we'll close out our session here in about 10 minutes. Short and sweet. So don't need to be on the charts more than 50, 45 to an hour. That's pretty much. Right. Well, basically, they're done going up, guys, because that wick that they did at the start of the market open, that was basically a liquidity grab that they did. So that's why at the beginning of the market open, I was bullish, and then now I'm bearish here. Sorry, with my zones here and all that stuff. right. So overall, guys, we were bullish at the start of the market open. So put back here, perfect. So the analysis was, we're waiting for that wick here to put a to confirm a swing high to a swing low. So that that wick confirmed me that it was a swing. So I was waiting for a buy in the upside. We did get that buy up to that line here. You see here that my trade was closed because of a trailing, but it almost hit my TP for a few ticks. And then overall, I was bearish here on the indices overall. So that's why I took a sell right now. And I'm going to let it ride until it hits my TP. That will be at the bottom here. Went to that first TP that I had originally. It's still going. That's what I'm expecting here overall for it. So that's pretty much it, guys. So we'll just monitor those trades here that you took. If you took any trades, and make sure that you trade accordingly. We don't have any news today. We only have this week. The big impact news that we have for the US is FOMC minute at 2 p.m. On Wednesday. So that will be interesting here, especially in regards to what to expect in regards to interest rate. That should be uh, cut or maybe increased or stable by next week. And also next week we have crypto week, so that'll be interesting too. And also we have the ISO 222 protocol with the Fed Wire and Fed Now. That'll be live on the 15th. So that will be something really interesting to look at. I see that if we're going to have some movement here in the market in crypto, especially with the XRP and the other Bitcoin and other altcoins. Right. That being said, guys, wish you a wonderful rest of your day. We're going to close it out today. We'll be back here at the London session tomorrow, 2 a.m., 2:45, sorry, 2:45 for another 45 minutes, and another New York session tomorrow at for another 45 minutes. Still. All right. So we keep it short and sweet, guys, and we get results overall. All right. So wish you a wonderful day and have a great rest of your day.